Hi students, uh, welcome back to the class of SAT Math. So let us start our new topic, that is patterns and sequences. So let's move on and see what is there in store for us. So look at this. In sequence S, the third term is 4 and second term is 3 times the first. What is that he said? Third term is 4, means T3 is 4. That is what he gave. And second term is T2 is 3 times the first term, uh, and the third term is 4 times the second term. This is 4 times T2. What is the first term of the sequence? So this is what we need to check. So 4 into T2 is 3T1 equal to 4. So of course, otherwise T2 equal to 1 I can say. So if you cancel these two, otherwise T2 equal to 1. So this we can eliminate. So 3T1 equal to 1, T1 equal to 1 by 3. So this is the option we get. So you have option B for that. Please load it fast, quick. Yeah, let us proceed to the next question. So let us look at this question. Except for the first two numbers, every number in the sequence -1, 3, -3 is the product of two immediately preceding numbers. So that means T3 equal to T2 into T1, T4 equal to T3 into T2, and so on. T5 equal to T4 into T3, and so on. It continues like this. How many numbers of this sequence are odd? See, if you look at this series, all the three terms are odd only. Means whatever terms you are multiplying, means you are multiplying only odd terms. So all the terms of the sequence should be odd only, because you take this -1 into 3 is -3, 3 into -3 -9, -3 into -9 27, like that. So everything is this. So it is more than 4 terms. It's more than 4 terms. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, let us go to the next question. So the seventh number in a sequence of numbers is 31. So T7 is 31. Okay. And each number after the first number is this of the sequence is 4 less than the number immediately preceding it. So 4 less than the number immediately preceding it means T6 is 31 minus 4. T5, this is 27, right? 27 minus 4, so that is 23. T4 is 23 minus 4, that is 19. And so on it continues. So option we are getting is 19. So option is what is that he said? Each number after the first number is in the sequence is 4 less than the immediately preceding. Oh, sorry. So this is plus. So it is 35. 35 plus 4. So it is 39. 39 plus 4. So this is 41. So option should be 43. Sorry. Option should be 43. So it is like this. 31 is the number plus 4. So that is 35. 35 plus 4 is 39. 39 plus 4 is 43. So fourth term. This is uh, T6, T5, and T4. Right, children? So this is 43. So let us go to the next question. Yeah. What is the sixth term of the sequence? 90 minus 30, 10 means we are dividing it by minus 3. We are dividing it by minus 3. T1, this is GP series, 90. This is A. R is 1 by minus 1 by 3. And he is asking to find out sixth term. T6 is AR for 5. AR for 5. So that is 90 into minus 1 by 3 power 5. So this is 3 square is 9. So minus 10 by 3 cube is 27. So this is the thing you'll be getting. Minus 10 by 27 is option C. Please note it fast. Right, children, we'll go to the next question. Yeah. The sum of the sequence squares of the first n positive integers is this formula he gave. What is the sum of squares of the first 9 positive integers? Means n equal to 9. Means sum to 9 numbers, he says. If I say Sn is this. So wherever n is there all I'll replace it by Sn is given as n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is Sn. S9. S9 is what? 9 into 10 into 19 by 6. Okay. So this is the thing. 9 into 10 into 2 8s, 2 9s 18 plus 1 19. So this is 3 2s, 3 3s, 2 5s. So 19 into 15. 15 15 is 225 plus 60, 285. Yeah. Please note it fast. Okay, children, let us go to the next question. Yeah, for all integers x greater than 1, this some bracket he gave, which is like this. So that means it is 2x plus of 2x minus 1, so on up to 1. Means starting from 1 to 2x, the sum of all the values. So what is the value of 3 into 2? I mean, this bracket, I don't know what this bracket mean exactly. There is no such standard thing. So that product, this is generalized, otherwise problem only connected to this problem. So now if I look at this, I should start from 1 and add up to 6 and add up to 6. Starting from 1, we are adding up to 6 according to this formula. 1 to 2x means if n is 3 or x is 3, so 2 3 is 6. Starting from 1 to 6 we have added. So we got it as 21. Next, this 2. 2 is nothing but 1, 2, 4. 2 2s are 4. So up to 4 we should add everything. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you add 1, 2, 3, 4, you will be getting 10. So now we should multiply these two. So it is 21 into 10. So that is 210. So option C you have. Please note it fast, quick. Yeah. Let us move to the next question. So look at this. By dividing 21 into 1, the fraction can be rewritten as a repeating decimal. Is it 21 by 1 or something else? Oh. So let us see what is the question. Where the blocks of digits repeats, what is the 54th digit following the decimal point? So now, if you look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sixth digit is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sixth digit is 0. So he asked 54. 54 is divisible by 6. So that means that should be 0, ninth number. So definitely it should be 0. So option is A. So, okay, let us go to the next question. The positive integers p, q, r, s, and t increase in order of size such that the value of each successive integer is 1 more than the preceding integer, and the value of t is 6. What is the value of r? So difference is 1. So it is 2 units behind. So it should be 4. So it should be 4. Option D. Look at this. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. So R is 4. He has asked the value of R. So that is the thing. Please note it fast, quick. Yeah. Let us go to the next question. Look at this. Let you represent the sum of integers from 1 through 20. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on to 20 is u. Okay. And we represent the sum of integers from 21 through 40. 21 plus 22 so on to 40 is v. So v plus u should be sum to 40 terms. Arithmetic progression. Okay. What is the value of v minus u? So he's asking to find out v minus u. So what is that I can write? V equal to v, I can write it as S40 minus u minus u. So this is S40 minus 2 times S20. Sum to n terms we have n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d plus 2 into 20 by 2 into 2 into 1 plus 20 minus 1 into common difference is 1. So this is 20 into 2 plus 39, 41, plus 20 into 2 plus 19, 21. So if you take 20 common, you'll get it as 62. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 12, 0, 1 2 4 0. Oh, sorry, this is minus, children. So minus. So this is minus. So this is 41 minus 20 is 20. So this should be 400. Option D. So this is the thing. Please note it fast, quick. This is minus because minus 2 into 20. So this should be minus. So this should be 400. Please note it fast, quick. Right, children, let us go to the next question. Yeah, look at this. In the pattern of dots to the right, each row after the first row has 2 more dots, fine, than the row immediately above it. Row 6 contains, see, this is simple. If I take it as arithmetic progression because it is in increasing order of 2, common difference is 2. So now he is asking to find out T6. T6 is A plus n minus 1 into D. So this is 2 plus 5 into 2. That is 2 plus 10. That is 12. So now look at this. Option C you have. Please note it fast. Okay, let us go to the next question. Yeah. In the sequence S, all odd number terms are equal. Oh, so T1 equal to T3 equal to T5 and so on. All odd number terms are equal. Uh, and all even number terms are equal again. So T2, T4, T6 and so on. They are equal. Okay. The first term of the sequence is root 2 and the second term is minus 2. So T1 equal to root 2 and T2 equal to minus 2. What is approximately the sum of two consecutive terms of the things? It is root 2 minus 2, isn't it? Simply sum of two consecutive terms. So it should be root 2 minus 2. So that is minus 0.6 approximately. It is 1.414. So I can take it as 1.4 minus 2 is minus 0.6. So option B. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, children, let us go to the next question. So look at this. The sum of the first n even positive integers, sum of first n even positive integers is this. Okay, even. You see 2n is always even. So sum of first, you see 2, 4, 6, 8 like that is n into n plus 1. This is formula, nothing but sum of n terms is n into n plus 1 by 2. So it is 2 into that. So therefore it is n into n plus 1. What is the first 20 even terms? It's simple, very simple. So Tn he gave it as n into n plus 1. So he is asking to find out T20. 20 into 21. So this is 420. So option B. Please note it fast, quick. Eshul, I think you have done it. So let's go to the next question. Very simple questions. There is no problem at all. In the array of numbers, each number above the bottom row is equal to 3 times the number immediately below it. Okay. 5, 1, 3, 3 into 3, 9, like that. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6 into 3 is minus 8, and so on. So 3 into 3 is y. So y equal to 3 into 3. So that is 9. So where is x? It is here. X equal to minus 18 into 3. That is minus 54. So you know x and y. Add x and y. X plus y equal to minus 54 plus 9. That is minus 45. So option is minus 45. Option A. Please note it fast, quick. Right, children, let us go to the next question. Anyway, this is what we have already done. So you see, the first term of sequence is 2. So T1 is 2. First term is 2. All subsequent terms are found by adding 3. So common difference is 3. Arithmetic progression series, AP. Okay. And then multiply and multiply the sum by 2. So this is not AP. So this is something else. So let us check what is it. Rewrite the things. So the first term of sequence is 2. So this is finished. T1 equal to 2. Now all subsequent terms are found by adding 3 to the immediately preceding term and multiplying the sum uh, by 2. So it is like this. T2 is uh, T1 plus 2, 3 into uh, 2. This is the thing. Which of the following describes the terms of the sequence? So let us see what all are the sequences given. So this is 5 to 10. So that means every term after first term are multiplied by 2. So multiplied by 2 means whatever may be this, it is always even because we are multiplying by 2. And first term is also even. So now let us see, each term is odd is wrong. So you first eliminate the wrong answers. Each term is even, this is right. So the terms are wrong because even odd, it's not. Then after it's even, then all odd, not possible because they are multiplied by 2. So therefore all should be even. The only thing that works out is option 2. Please note it fast, quick. Quick, children. Right, I think you have noted this. So let's go to the next question. Look at this. Except for the first two numbers, every number in the sequence -1, 3, 2 is the sum of the two immediately preceding numbers. So how many numbers of this sequence are even? See, if you want to take T1 is -1 he gave, T2 equal to 3, T3 equal to 2. So what is T4 now? T4 is uh, sum of the two immediately preceding numbers, 3 plus 2, that is 5. So that means if you take any two numbers, one of them is odd and the other is even. You take T3, T4 or T1, comma T2, odd, comma even. No, uh, T1, T2 is an exception. Both are odd, odd, comma odd. So then T3 is even. So T4 is odd. So T3, T4. T3 is even. T4 is odd. So that means if you take T5, T5 will be sum of these two, even and odd is odd. So that means T5 will be what? Even plus odd is odd. Okay. So T4 is odd and T5 is odd. T6 will be even, sum of two odd numbers. Then T7 will be odd. Okay. Even plus odd is odd. So like that. So how many numbers of this sequence are even, he says. So you see T3 is even. T6 is even. T8 you take. T6 plus T7 odd only. Then that means if you look at this, T4, T3 is even, comma, then next T6 is even, then next T9 will be even, then T12 should be even, and so on. This continues. So that means more than 3 terms. You see T3, T6, T9, T12, T15 means every multiple of 3 you take here. They all are even numbers. See, T1 and T2 are odd, so T3 became even, T4 became odd, then T5 became odd again, right? Uh, because T3 is even, T4 is odd. If you add even and odd numbers, you'll get odd. So T5 is odd and T4 is odd. So T6 becomes even. T7 is even plus odd is odd. Then T8 is again odd. T9 is even. Sum of two odd numbers is even, and so on. So answer is D, more than 3 terms. Yeah, please note it fast, quick. Yeah. So let us go to the next question. Yeah. What is the 7th element of the sequence? Yeah. So look at this. So if you look at the sequence, each element is the addition of squares of the two previous. Look at this. T1 is 0. T2 is, of course, T2 we cannot talk because it should be taken right from the thing, that is 1. So T3 is T2 square plus T1 square. 1 plus 0 is 1. You see T3 is 1 we got. T4 is 1 square plus 1 square. That is 2. T5. T5 is this. Okay. So T5 is T4 square plus T3 square. So that is 5. T6. It is this. 5 square plus 2 square. That is 29. And so on. So now what is that he has? What is the 7th element of the sequence? T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6 is given. So T7 is 29 square plus 5 square. So that is the answer. So that is nothing but 866. So option D. Right, let us go to the next question. What is the 7th element of the sequence? So look at that sequence. So it is given as T1 is 1. Okay. T2 is 2. T3 is 1. So that means I can write it as T2 minus T1 whole square. So that is 1. Why I am taking whole square? Because 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Next term is positive, so whole square should be there. T4 is T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2 whole square. So that is again 1. You see we have T4 as 1. Then T5, 1 minus 1 whole square. That is 0. So T6, 0 minus 1 whole square. So that is 1. So if you continue, what is that he's asking? 7th element, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So T7 is T6 minus T5 whole square. So that is 1. So option B you have. Please note it fast. Quick. See, how do you get this rule? It's only by observation, children. There is no standard rule or process for identifying this. This you should observe and be able to tell what is what. See, because you see, if you look at this question, it is Tn equal to, it is like this, Tn equal to Tn minus 1 minus Tn minus 2 whole square. This is the rule we have. So whereas in the previous case, the rule was something else. It was Tn equal, previous problem. Tn equal to Tn minus 1 whole square plus Tn minus 2 whole square, previous problem. So that means for each problem you'll have one rule. How do you get that rule? It only is done by observation. There is no standard rule because these type of things you should analyze, observe, calculate, and then put the things. Okay. Let us go to the next question. You see, the nth element of an arithmetic sequence is, he said it is arithmetic sequence. So he is asking you to find Tn of the arithmetic sequence. Tn. What is Tn? Minus of 3 into n minus 1. Minus 1. So this if you expand, minus 3n plus 3 minus 1. So that is 2 minus 3n is Tn. Now what is the average of the elements between 11th and 200th of it? So now let us take common difference. What is common difference? Tn minus, or otherwise instead of using this, we can also take T1, T2 and T3 and so on. T1 is what? 2 minus 3 minus 1. T2, 2 minus 6 minus 4. So what is common difference? T2 minus T1. So that is minus 3. So what is the average of the elements between 11th and 200th term of it? So that means he is asking to find out T11 plus T12 plus so on up to T200 by 190, because number of terms are like that. Okay, 190 terms. So now look at this. So now this we already got it here. If you observe, we got it here. So now common difference we know and all things. So what is A, first term? This is minus 4 we got, and the common difference is minus 3 we got. And if you take T 11th term, means M is 11. If I take M as 11, so, and highest term, N as H as 200. This is M and this is H. If I consider like that, so now what is that? Sum of, it is like this. Sum of 200 terms means it starts from 1 to 200. So this I can write it as sum of 200 terms is nothing but T1 plus T2 plus so on to T200. Okay. So this is the thing. So now, but H is written as 11 onwards. 11 onwards. So H starts from 11. So if I take this one, this into consideration. So H is 200 we are taking. That means sum to 200 term minus sum to 11 terms will give you, sum to 10 terms will give you T11 to T200 sum. What is the average of the elements is it, right? Isn't it? So now look at this. So I should take S200 minus S10 will give you sum of all the terms from T11 to T200. So I should find out S200 minus S10 by 190. This is what I need to find out. Okay. S200 is n by 2 into 2a. So a is, we got it as -1. So 2a means -2 plus 199 into common difference is -3 plus, sorry, minus. This is 10 by 2 into 2a minus 2 plus of n minus 1. So 10 minus 1 is 9 into common difference is -3. So this is 100 into -2 minus 3 9s 27, 3 9s 27 plus 2 29, 3 1 3 plus 2 is 5, minus 5 into -2 minus 27. So this is 599 into 100. So this is minus 59900. Minus into minus is plus 29 into 5. So 35 is 150 and 145. So this is the value you'll be getting by 190. So this is what we need to find out. So this value is equal to minus 314.5, which is option A. Okay, children. So please note it fast, quick. Okay, let us go to the next question. What is the sum of first 10 elements of the sequence? So you see, the sequence is -1, -3, -9, 27. Means you multiply this by 3, you'll get second term. That you multiply by 3, you'll get third term. That you multiply by 3, you'll get fourth term. So it is a geometric progression series where A is -1, R is 3. So now he is asking you to find out S10. So what is the formula? A into R power n means n is 10, like this, -1 by R minus 1. So that is -1 into R is 3 to the power of 10 -1 by 3 minus 1, that is 2. So this is -1 by 2 into 3 to the power of 10 minus 1. So 10 times you need to multiply 3, so that you'll get it as this -29524, which is option number C. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, let us go to the next question. This is not required. We've already done. Now, algebraic expressions. So we have been doing till now the sequences. Now we are doing the algebraic expressions. Look at this. So x squared plus 2 into x minus x cubed. What is this? This is simple expansion. So now we can directly multiply. That is x cubed, or x squared into x is x cubed, minus x squared into x cubed is x power 5, plus 2 into x is 2x, minus 2x cubed. So look at this expansion. So which is equal to minus x power 5 minus x cubed plus 2x, which is in the option B. Please note it fast, quick. Yeah. So let us go to the next question. See, minus 2 times 3 minus x times this 5 plus y minus 2 by x minus 7 plus 2 into 3 square. So this x and this x gets cancelled. So these two gets cancelled. You'll get it as minus 2, simply deviating from 3, deviating from simpleness to complex, that's all. So that we need to make again complex to simple. So 5xx gets cancelled, 5 minus 2 is 3, and minus and plus is minus y. So 9 to 18, 18 minus 7 is 11. So these two gets cancelled. So minus 2y minus 22. So option C, very simple, but appears to be very complicated. So it all depends on how you simplify this, how simple you make this. So I think it's better we close it with a simple process. So this is the one I've shown. So use that method. Okay, let us go to the next question. Yeah, look at this. X plus half whole square minus of this. So this I can use a square minus b square form. A square minus b square. Of course, I can directly expand. That is one method. And other method is using a square minus b square form. So we'll do both the ways and we'll see which becomes shorter. So first let us use a square minus b square form. Okay. So if you use this, so a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So this is x plus 2x is 3x, half minus 4 is minus 7 by 2 into x minus 2x is minus x, 4 plus half is 9 by 2. So if you take expansion, this becomes minus 3x square, then 27 by 2 plus 7 by 2. 27 plus 7, 34 by 2. 35 by 2 is 17x. So minus 3x square plus 17x is there in only one option. So the method ends there. So automatically it should be minus 63 by 4. Method 2. Method 2 is expand. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square. Minus into plus is minus 16. Minus into minus is plus 4 to the right 8 to 16x. So x square minus 4x square is minus 3x square. X plus 16x is 17x. So it is identified already. Minus 64 plus 1 is minus 63 by 4. So either of the things, it is almost same with little difference. So the second method appears to be a bit shorter than method 1. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, let us go to the next question. Yeah, look at this. X equal to 2, y equal to minus 3, then that. So better we substitute the values and then check. Minus 3 square is 9. Minus 3 square is 9 directly. Minus of x is 2 minus, this is minus 3 plus half is minus 5 by 2 minus 6. So this is 9 minus 6 is 3 minus 2 is 1 plus minus and minus is plus, plus into minus is minus 5 by 2, that is minus 3 by 2. So option B. Please note it fast, quick. All right, children, let us go to the next question. So now look at this. 4x cubed y cubed, or otherwise it is like this. A minus b whole square plus 4ab is a plus b whole square. It becomes x cubed plus y cubed whole square. So this is nothing but x cubed minus y cubed whole square plus 4ab. So this is the thing. So which option is there? Let us check. What are the options? Let us look at the options. So you have directly option A. Please check it. Okay. Direct formula, so you don't need to do all this expansion. You can directly use it. A minus b whole square plus 4ab is a minus b, a plus b whole cube. Whole square. Direct formula. So let us go to next question. Look at this. If a by b equal to minus 2 by 3, then b minus a by a means if I can write b in terms of a, the denominator and numerator a gets cancelled. So if I take a by b equal to minus 2 by 3, b equal to minus 3 by 2 times a. So b minus a by a is minus 3 by 2 a minus a by a. So take a common and cancel it, you'll get it as minus 5 over 2. So this is the thing. Please note it fast. So option A you have. Okay, children, let us go to the next question. Yeah, let us see how to work it out. So is there any direct method or we have to expand it? That's what we need to see. So there appears to be no standard formula which can cover all these things. So let us expand it directly. First, 2 plus root 7 into 4 minus root 7 into minus 2 I'll take because only x is left over. So let us look at this. 2 4s are 8 minus 2 root 7 plus 4 root 7 minus 7 into minus 2. So 8 minus 2 is minus 1, sorry, plus 1 into minus 2 is minus 2. Then 4 minus 2 is 2 root 7 into minus 2 is minus 4 root 7. So with this into x you take. So which one you have? Option C. Please note it fast, quick. Yeah. Okay. Let us go to the next question. Yeah. Look at this. P equal to Z plus 1 by Z. Q is Z minus 1 by Z. So that it's very simple. P plus Q is 2Z and P minus Q 2 by Z. So P plus Q into P minus Q is 4. So option B. So direct solution. Okay, let us go to the next question. Look at this. X square plus y square is xy. So he is asking to find out x plus y whole power 4 value. What is that? We should check. So look at this. X plus y whole power 4 is x plus y whole square whole to the power of 2. If we check this process, what happens, we'll see. This is x square plus y square is xy plus 2xy whole square. So that is 3xy whole square. So that is 9x square y square, option C. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, children, let us go to the next question. Look at this. 2 plus x into 2 plus y minus of 2 plus x minus of 2 plus y. So let us expand. So there is no other way out. I mean, there is one method we can follow. It is like this. AB minus A minus B. So you can take it A as common, you'll get B minus 1 minus B like this. Or otherwise B common, you'll get it as A minus 1 minus A. But whatever it is, for such simple problem, trying to think of so many complicated things is not suggestible. So let us go for direct expansion. So that is 4 plus 2y plus 2x plus xy minus 2 minus x minus 2 minus y. So 4 gets cancelled, 2x minus x is x, and 2y minus y is y, and then plus xy. So this is very simple option D. Please note it fast. Quick. Okay, I think you got it. So let's go to the next question. Look at this. X square plus y square is 2ab and 2xy is a square plus b square. AB and x, AB, x and y all four are greater than 0, then x plus y. See, simple children, if you take addition of those two, you'll be getting it as x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 2ab plus a square plus b square. So simply x plus y whole square equal to a plus b whole square. So x plus y equal plus or minus of a plus b. So x plus y equal to, you have option C, which is mapping. Otherwise, I can also write it as x plus y is root of a square plus b square plus 2ab, which is not there. So therefore, only option C maps it. So note it fast, quick. Note it fast, kids. Okay, let us go to the next question. Yeah. So expression this is equivalent to, see, this we can break quadratic equations. Already we have done. So 20 into 16 you take. So for this you take factors so that you get minus 36. So minus 2 you take. So you'll get it as minus 10 into 16 is 160. Then again you can take 4 minus 40s. So now we need to get minus 36. Uh, so 20 and 4, multiples of 4 we'll take 8. So let us take 2, so we'll get minus 20. So now let us see if with this we can do something. So you can write as minus 16 minus 20. So therefore, you have factors to be done. See, it is taking so long. Now I should write this as 20x square minus 16xy minus 20xy plus 16y square. So between these two, you take 20x common. So you'll be getting it as x minus y. Between these two, you take minus 16y common. You'll get x minus y. So you take x minus y common. You'll be getting it as 20x minus 16y. So this bit we need to do. Instead of that, we can directly multiply. See, you take 4 common, you'll be getting it as second method. That is first method. The second method is 5x square minus 9xy plus 4y square. So clearly, we should have 4 common. And then, see, everywhere we get, see, here we are not getting 4 common. So this you eliminate. Here you are not getting 4 common, you eliminate. So now either of these two should be options. So let us check which option satisfies more. X into 5x is 5x square. X into, sorry, minus y into minus 4y is plus 4y square. Then minus 4xy minus 5xy is minus 9xy. So option D satisfies fully. So answer is that. So expand and see. Breaking into factors is one method. Directly multiplying is another method. In these type of problems, I prefer to multiply directly and then check which is the correct answer. So here you see all are plus, so automatically it is rejected. There is no negative sign anywhere. So there is no point of even trying to check this. Only these three I tried because there is one minus sign seen at least here and there, where you have minus sign here. So therefore one of these options should be right. So option A is totally rejected because there is no minus sign anywhere. So this is how you need to work on. Save time and use it elsewhere. Yeah, look at this. So you have 2x square minus 6x minus 8y by x minus x square minus 1. So look at this. If you take 2 common in numerator, x square minus 3x minus 4 by x square minus 1. So this is 2 into factors, x minus 1, x plus 1 into x minus 4 by x minus 1 into x plus 1. So x plus 1 gets cancelled. You'll get it as 2x minus 8 by x minus 1. 2x minus 8 by x minus 1 is option B. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, children, let us go to the next question. Let us see what is there. Simplify. See, whenever a problem of this nature is given, what I'll do is I'll change the division to multiplication sign. So division to multiplication means numerator changes to denominator and denominator changes to numerator. So this can be written as x plus 3 into x minus 2 by 2 x, if you take common, you'll get x plus 3 into x by x minus 2. So x plus 3 cancels x plus 3, x minus 2 cancels x minus 2, x gets cancelled, this is half. So option A. Please note it fast, quick. Okay, let us go to the next question. If the difference between the area of a circle and the circumference of that same circle is 35 pi, difference means pi r square minus 2 pi r equal to 35 pi. How long is the radius of the circle? So pi gets cancelled, so you'll get it as r square minus 2r minus 35 equal to 0. So this can be written as r minus 7 into r plus 5. So r equal to 7. So let us see uh, which option is r equals 7. Option D. Please note it fast, quick. Quick. So let us go to the next question. What is the difference of 2 less than a number is divided by the difference of 4 less than the square of the same number? What is the difference of 2 less than a number, means x minus 2, divided by difference of 4 less than square of number, x square minus 4. So this is x minus 2 by x minus 2 into x plus 2. That is 1 by x plus 2. So you have option B. Okay, let us go to the next question. The length of a rectangle is 2 units longer than its width. 2 units longer than its width. Length of rectangle means L, let us call, is 2 units longer than its width. That means W plus 2. If the area of rectangle is 32, so length into width is 32. So W into W plus 2 minus 32 equal to 0. So we can take different factors for 32, but the difference, if you add those factors, you should get answer as 2, because here we are finding it 2. So what all factors can be taken? Uh, 8 4 32, but we don't get sum as uh, plus 2. So you can take so length is W plus 2 into width. Length of rectangle is 2 units longer than its width. Okay. So anyway, we are not finding the factors. So let us take minus b plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac. So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s 12 by minus b plus r minus root of b square 4 ac by 2a. So this is minus 2 plus r minus root 132. So we are not getting a real number. Uh, so if you take 2 common, you'll be getting it as 1 plus 32, 33 by 2. So that is minus 1 plus r minus root 33. So root 33 is approximately near to 6. 6 minus 1, approximately, this is not exactly 6, but 5 point something minus 1 is approximately 4 point something. So, but we should not be given some numbers like that. So, minus 4x plus 8x. So, this is not the correct way to work out, because the factors for this does not exist, because here you are getting 4x, not 2x. So, this should have been 4. Maybe this is 4. If this is 4, then you'll get it, children. So this should be made as 4. If it is 4, then you get it. So this is, I'll just check, rectify this question. So this is not 2, this is 4. Then you'll get it as length equal to W plus 4 and area equal to length into width. So area is 32 is W plus 4 into W. So you'll get W square plus 4W minus 32 equal to 0. So you can write this as W plus 8 into W minus 4 equal to 0. So W equal 4, so L equal to 8. So now length of the rectangle. Length of the rectangle is 8, which is option C. Please note it fast, quick. So this is something wrong in the options. So this should be C. Okay. Because we have changed it here, so options should also change. So please note it fast, quick. Okay, let us go to the next question. So look at this. If the sides of triangle are these three and the perimeter of triangle is 77, what is the length of the longest side? So length of longest side is this, x plus 1 whole square. So let us check. The perimeter is given as 77. So x square plus x plus 1 whole square plus x minus 1 whole square is 77. So this is 3x square, and plus 2x minus 2x gets cancelled. You'll get it as 1 plus 1. 2 minus 77 equal to 0, or otherwise 3x square equal to 75. X square is 25, so x is 5. It cannot be minus 5. No, it can be plus or minus 5. So let us check, because everywhere you have whole squares. So let us see which is the longest side, x plus 1 whole square. So I'll take x as 5. So 5 plus 1 whole square will take. That is 36. So option T. let us go to the next question. So Danny needs exactly 600 feet of fencing to enclose his rectangular yard. If the area of the yard is length into width is 12,500. So 2 times length plus width is 600 he gave. Length plus width equal to 300. So length equal to 300 minus width. So substitute it there. So width into 300 minus width equal to 12,500. So width square minus 300 width plus 12,500 equal to 0. So he is asking find out length. So let us eliminate width. So instead of W, we can get also length. So this is factors for 12,500. You should get 300, some of those things. So it is 5 2 10, 5500, then 5, 500, then 10, you'll get it as 50. So if you take factors for this, 600, we got it. Then it needs exactly 600 feet of fencing to enclose it. So the factors you need to find out, or otherwise use minus b plus r minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So we are getting it as 250 and minus 250 and minus 50. So you are getting length as 250. So I cannot take length as, 50 because it becomes shorter than the width. So L is 250. So option D satisfies. Please note it fast. Okay, children, we'll continue in the next class. Thank you and have a good day. God bless you all.